In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to SEO for Facebook Marketplace. To rank higher and sell faster on Marketplace, start by choosing the right keywords. Think exactly like your buyer. What would they type into the search bar? Begin by searching your product and paying close attention to the auto suggestions that appear, and scan top competitor listings to see the terms they repeat. Swap vague words for specific descriptive phrases. Instead of something generic like curler, use a phrase such as automatic hair curler, ceramic for long hair. Place your main keywords in both the title and the first few lines of the description so they're immediately clear to the algorithm and the shopper. Your title is your ranking power. Use a simple formula: product plus one defining feature plus a clear benefit. For example, 2-in-1 hair curler and straightener, long-lasting curls. Keep it readable, front-load the most important words, and avoid fluff that doesn't help search. Next, write a keyword-rich description. Don't just describe, optimize. Include common product name variations, typical use cases, and benefits that answer shopper questions. For example, perfect for daily styling, this automatic hair curler creates long-lasting curls for short and long hair, easy to use and beginner-friendly. Repeat core keywords naturally without stuffing. Strong visuals boost clicks, which boosts ranking. Use clear, bright photos with a clean background and show multiple angles and key details. If possible, add a short video demo to build trust and highlight the product in action. Natural light and consistent framing go a long way. Price competitively to spark engagement. Listings that get more clicks and messages tend to rise in results. Research similar items in your area and set a price that encourages quick inquiries while preserving your margin. Stay active. Fresh listings get preference. So post consistently, renew older posts, and if a listing stalls, delete and repost with improved keywords, images, or pricing. Spacing your posts throughout the day can reach different audiences. Drive more messages. Respond quickly. Use clear calls to action, like available, message for pickup or delivery options, and keep replies helpful and friendly. Short, inviting lines can nudge hesitant buyers to reach out. Optimize your location. Set the correct city, consider nearby areas, and target high-demand regions where your item sells best. Adjust your radius to match where buyers are actually searching. Build a solid seller reputation. Complete transactions smoothly, communicate clearly, and aim for positive ratings. Trust leads to more clicks and better placement. Finally, share outside Marketplace. Post your listing